Oh, a guest.
We'd like to check in.
And we want the best room possible.
Whoa, I have just the room for you.
Perfect. Come now, my dear.
Wow. Huh?
Wow, it's so fancy. No, no! Feet off the rug.
Whoa!
Hey,
Watch it, man.
guests only. But we want to check in. All right, fine. You can have our economy room.
Nice.
No, it's that way. Oh, this is it?
Jackpot.
This is nice.
Yeah, if it weren't for the bug. Not bad.
Ouch!
Go away. The view could be better.
Want a drink?
Hello. One drink coming right up. It's our specialty. Guaranteed to rock your world. Drink up. It's on the house.
Thank you.
Just chocolates for me.
Here you go, madam.
Looks good. Let's see if it actually is. I must have more. Oh, heavens. But I'm full. Huh? It's a chocolate.
Oops. No, you can have it.
It's so good.
Hey, look, a rabbit.
I wonder where he's off to.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Dinner time! That should be enough.
Smokey!
Hey, little guy. Whoa.
I could get used to this.
Are they for real?
Simpletons. We should take this home.
These two.
Here's the dinner menu. I'd like 5 of these.
Lobster for me.
Okay, got it.
Hey, we want food.
All right, here's the budget menu. Not bad.
I want a burger.
And 5 waters. 5. This guy is a madman.
Pay first.
Here you go. Nice.
5 burgers and... Hey!
You're in my way.
Coming.
Knock it off.
Sorry to keep you waiting. It's $50,000. Thanks.
Bye.
Huh? Molecular kitchen?
That makes sense. Let's eat.
Here's your order.
Wow.
Let's eat.
Whoa, got enough for another mouth?
Move. Yeah, man, dig in.
Hello, I'll be massaging you today. Thank you. Let's begin. Huh? More. Okay.
More.
Sure thing. Here's our special gold wax for you, madam. Can it be more relaxing?
Sure. Here's deluxe honey made by Queen Bees.
More.
Okay. More! And hurry up!
More.
But, fine. My arms are gonna fall off. Whew.
That's the spot.
That feels good. I think I found our next activity. Does that feel good? Bye-bye. Thank you, dear. Bye.
Here's the tip.
They look pretty happy. Hi. Please, we want the full service. Full service, eh? This doesn't even cover the oil.
Anybody ordered a massage?
Huh? Yes.
Well, you came to the right place.
Oh, too hard.
Now for the lady. A warm back massage.
Too hot.
Up next. Ow! Here, it's all yours.
What on earth?
I didn't sign up to get stabbed. Bye, come again.
Bye.
Go. No more? Hey, no one's here.
Lucky.
Look, somebody left their snacks too.
Shh, dramatic much?
Hi.
We want the best seats in the house.
Okay, please.
What? Do something. What?
You're gonna get it.
Get him, hun.
You, somebody's in our seat.
fix it.
Okay. Hi, can you please give up your seats?
No!
So, they said no.
Try again.
Oh, $1,000. Okay.
You two, get out.
You can take the seats now.
And stay out. Whew, I'm sweating like a pig.
Lucky we got free water back there.
And free chips?
Give me some of that. Ridiculous.
Refreshments, haha. Cheers.
To a prosperous summer. Come on. That's all I can manage.
Oh no, you should have it.
Ah, so sweet of you. Huh? Hey! Put sunblock on me.
Ah, okay.
Over here.
What the? I should get something to wipe it off.
Where are you going? Oh.
What a nice vacation.
She's sad.
Go ahead, comfort her.
Here, let me help you. It's you. Hi. Oh, hey.
You touched it? I'm gonna throw up.
Better get back. Bye. Bye. Make some noise.
Cheers. See, I told you she's coming.
Let's go. Stop. Where's your ticket? We don't have one.
We'll get in, don't worry. Hey! Hang on. This gives me an idea. We'll make you a fancy dress. Surely that will get us in.
Wow.
You look so beautiful.
Hey, look.
Still no. No, but we did everything. It's very hot. Oh, it's her. Let them go in. You too.
Do you mean us?
Yeah, come on in. Wow. Come, let's dance. Wow. Hey! Ew. Let's go. Enjoy.
Hey, man.
Shut up. Who's that?
Hey, Luna.
Timmy, is that you? Fillers. Hold on a sec. Hey, Timmy. Oh, no.
Ugh.
What? Not this.
no.
Nope.
I'll come over at 6 p.m.
6 p.m.
You got it.
See you soon.
Okay.
Bye. That was close. I'll just rest my eyes for 5 more minutes. Wait, 6 p.m.? Oh no, time to glam up. Gonna bring out my inner Beyonce. I need a lot of this. I have enough time for a head massage. Oh no, my eyes! Oh my wow! That's gonna leave a mark. I am your mother, you listen to me, What? It's ice cold! What was that? Never mind. You just a bum. Where is that stupid towel? I'm freezing here. Mom, towel! Oh, of course, here you go. Mom, do you mind? Nothing I have seen before. Thanks. I'll just use the blow dryer. Come on, do your thing. I wish I knew a hair butter spell or something for this. What? My hair! Let me go! Oh no, that's better not to be. No. Okay, that's it. Desperate times call for desperate measures. Is it dry yet? Okay, finally it's dry. For Timmy. Ouch! Why isn't the brush moving? Okay. Please come out. That was really hard. Do I even have any hair left? How many brushes is this going to take? Done. This stuff sure grows fast. Oh, spray. Don't mind if I do. I'm not a minimalist. More is more. Next, can't miss a single strand. I'm not leaving anything to chance. Oh, wait. What have I done? The tantalum spray out to work. Or not. This one? Whoa! Maybe I went a little too far. Okay, a lot too far. I kinda look like Bart Simpson now. What? I hate to admit this, but I'm ugly. Wait, what's that? Mega strong? I need to fix this. Wait, my hands. They are totally stuck. Oh, come on. There, and you. Oh no, wait, please don't fall. No! My brand new palettes. I have paid a fortune for those. Luna, what happens in there? It's a pixie. Wherever do you mean? Oh, cleaning up fast. Unbelievable. Oh man, I need to fix this. Okay, let's try this again, shall we? It's better, but my skin, it could use a little bit of help. I can tell what it says here. Korean cosmetics is always good. I think it's working. Oh well, may as well apply it to the rest of my skin. Much better. But what's with all the hair? I look like Yeti. Oh no! Wait, hair growth cream? I gotta get this stuff off of me. 1, 2, 3. Did my skin rip off? Finally. My nails. Will this nightmare ever end? Well, this is like a horror movie scene. Guess there is only one thing to do. This is gonna hurt. Oh, how long is this? Oh, just keep pulling. Almost. Oh, finally. What? My skin! Yeah, it's better not to touch it. I've got to do something about this. No. But I need to pick a new manicure. Bingo! That's what I needed. They look great already. Oh, wow! Now we are talking. Oh, that's nice. Man, that's so satisfying. I should become an ASMR YouTuber or something. My whole body is tingling. And now so is my brain. Never stop typing. Hey, come on! Stupid zipper! You have betrayed me! Okay, just have to think outside the box. It's makeup time. Fully concentrated here. Hello? Anybody home? There is gonna be some laughing here. How about now? Oh, there. Well, that works, I guess. Cool. Well, don't need you anymore. I'm like a meme artist. Oh, I need to fix it. This way, more my shade. But I still have some work to do. Eyeliner never fails to impress. And now for the other eye. Goes on so smoothly. But is it really thick enough? I need it to look sharp. Just a small touch-up. There. Is it still not enough? Again. I always take it too far. Just hold on 1 second here. Now, that's much better. Oh yeah, Slay Queen. I need to change this clothes. Anything? This is kinda cute. Fits like a glove. But how do I pull the zipper up? Oh, I don't have longer arms. Come on. Oh, almost got it. There. But wait, what's all that? My hair! My hair!
zipper-free. Oh, but not stain-free. My makeup. Okay, I think I found the one. I feel like a real princess. Perfect. But the outfit's not quite complete. Yep, just as expected. My shoes. Housework never ends. I wasn't expecting any visitors. It's for me. Oh no, coming through. Oh, ow. Oh my, I'm speechless.
Oh man, maybe she left home. Oh no, not the water!
Hello.
Oh, hi. Huh?
Hi.
These are for you. By the way, you look great.
Oh, really? You look good too.
Thanks.
Oh, young